Constructing parallel lines by paper folding process. Let us draw parallel lines by paper folding process. First, we take a paper and fold it to make a straight line. Suppose line 1 is the given line. Now, we take a point outside this line and name it P. This is the point through which we will draw another line parallel to line 1. We draw a perpendicular passing through this point P on given line 1. Suppose this is line 2. Now, we draw a line perpendicular to line 2 which passes through point P. Suppose this line is number 3. What do you observe? You can say that line 1 and line 3 are parallel to each other. Obviously, we can say that if we draw two lines in such a way that both are perpendicular to a third line, then both the lines will be parallel to each other.